In the fall of 2020, the Lord provided for Trinity to begin our first major renovation project in over 50 years. This is going to be an over $2 million project to see our sanctuary and much of the first floor redone to allow us to serve and to minister even better. But as you can imagine, with any renovation project, it has caused us to have to adjust some things and change some things. And so we wanted to just give a little update so you could check in regularly and know exactly what's going on. The first thing that you probably noticed as you drove to our campus is that half of our main parking lot has now been fenced off with construction equipment. So we are parking on the northeast side of our parking lot. And if you can't find parking there, or if you arrive early and want to help us a little bit, we have plenty of parking just further northeast, diagonal from Trinity's parking lots, and the medical parking lots where you can find plenty of parking each and every Sunday. Another thing that you'll notice when you enter from the north side to come in and do our check-in system is that the main hallway that you've used in the past is completely closed off because of construction. This means that you're going to come in and enter to the fellowship hall and then walk through the fellowship hall as you begin to go throughout the building. Another thing that we have going on that's new is that our hallway that used to run right next to the sanctuary, a temporary wall has been put up. And so we encourage you all, unless you have children that you're taking to preschool or elementary to drop off, that becomes a very crowded area. And so those are really the only groups of people that we need going in that part of the building. During this renovation, which will last through the beginning of 2022, we're worshiping in our gym. And so that is, you come into our fellowship hall area, you turn left, and go right to our gym where we worship each and every Sunday. You can also exit from the gym or enter into the gym if that helps you as well, coming in from the parking lots. So while there's a lot of things going on and some of it's a little bit inconvenient, we know the reward's going to be worth it as a beautiful sanctuary is in store for us after the new year. And so we hope that you'll join us for worship. Check back to trinitynorman.org regularly for renovation updates. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.